In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to make your beauty blender or makeup sponges look brand new, and make sure you watch till the end to see the extra steps that really make a difference. Hola, zdravo, jumbo, salut. Hello my loves and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to clean your beauty sponges, beauty blenders, makeup sponges, whatever it is that you use, and it will make any old dirty sponge, no matter how dirty it is, look brand new. So I'm going to be showing you a very easy one-step process that doesn't involve a bunch of scrubbing and squeezing and all of the difficult things it takes to clean our sponges. So for this one ingredient mixture, you will be needing a big bowl to mix it in. Now the star ingredient is dishwashing soap or dishwashing liquid, but the key is to get a natural one. I'll link below my favorite natural soaps and cleaning products. Now this is one I picked up at my local store that is just natural. It smells amazing, but there's no synthetics or strong fragrances, and that's important when coming to things you're cleaning for your face or eating on. The final thing you'll need is 1 cup of water, and I'm just going to go ahead and pour that into our big bowl. Okay, so now it's time to make this mixture. All you're going to need is a spoonful of the dishwashing liquid, and you're going to pour that in your bowl that already has 1 cup of water in it. Now you just want to give it a real good stir and make sure everything mixes well. Then you want to go ahead and take that dirty sponge and drop it in there. I like to squeeze mine around just a little bit so it can absorb the soapy water. Now, the secret step is to place this in the microwave for 1 minute. This is going to kill the bacteria in the sponge, help it absorb the soapy water, but most importantly, magically clean your beauty blender or makeup sponges. So as you can see, the water is super dirty, but it's also super hot, so you want to make sure you don't touch it till it's cooled off. So I just go ahead with a spoon and squeeze the rest of the water and excess makeup products out of the sponge. And once the water is cool, I use my hand just to squeeze out any excess. Now, a step a lot of people don't involve when it comes to this cleaning method is to refill the bowl with some clean water and then let your sponge hang out in there, and then go ahead and squeeze out the excess soap and makeup product in that water while letting it absorb the clean water. As you guys can see, the results are amazing. My sponge literally looks brand new, pretty much the same color when I first bought it, and I do this all the time when my makeup sponge looks dirty. Then I just rinse it with a little bit of cool water just to get all the excess soap out, and ta-da! You literally have a brand new, super clean makeup sponge. So I hope you guys liked this video. I love you all so much. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up and turn your notifications on so you can always be notified for new videos, and comment me below what you want to see next. I love you guys, and I have so much exciting stuff coming soon, so stay tuned. Mwah.